YouTube. If any of you out there are thinking about Plasti Dip in their car or using any kind of wrap, I'd highly recommend that you stay the fuck away from this shitty product. You know, it's supposed to be a spray. You try to spray it, it comes out in a stream. It blasts everywhere and it runs like liquid. There's no spray to it. You know, first I did the sides of my Honda. You know, you can see the bubbling, the whatever effect it is. It's just horrible. It's the same on the other side. And it just drips and flows like water. It's just horrible. And then I tried to do the middle section, and it's even worse. There's no bubbles, but holy shit, it's all it did was drip and drip and drip. It's just horrible. Absolutely horrible product. I would not recommend this in any way, shape, or form. It's garbage. Utter garbage. You know, I spent 20 bucks on this can. I think it's a waste of my money, and I really hope I can get a refund, because I got to tear all that stuff off and buy a better brand, because this is just horrible. I give this a 1 out of 10. Would definitely not recommend this in any way, shape, or form for your car or anything else. It's just not a good product. You know, and from a distance, yeah, it looks okay, but you get up close, it's just horrible. So yeah, truck driving by, shut the fuck up. Yeah, stay away. If you get stock in the company, hell, dump it, because it's garbage. Anyway, thanks for listening to my rant, YouTube. This is my review of Dupli-Color Custom Wrap. Bullshit coating. Yeah, fuck this shit.